Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bounce continues. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. It's crazy to think back to the analysis where I was talking about it, being down around this area, and now it's all the way back up to where it is. So needless to say, updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. But the first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support here is now at the 208 mark, and I'd call that the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 208, that would be fantastic. But if the price falls below there, not the end of the world or anything like that, you still do have that purple line down there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valid. Let's just call it at the $2 mark. So, perfectly speaking, again, yeah, stay above 208. But if it doesn't, then you do still have the $1.99 mark right around $2, which would be another area. And as of right now, the price isn't anywhere close to either of those. But nonetheless, those are going to be the key levels of support. As far as areas of resistance, let me squeeze down the chart here to bring it into sight a little bit more. There we go. But public enemy number one now going forward is all about that pink line up there, the very well-known 200-period moving average, currently valued at 228. Even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts and technical analysis, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below there, it tends to act as resistance. So I'm not saying it's impossible to break through that level, but that is definitely, public enemy number one by far moving forward. So overall, the bounce continues, higher highs, higher lows, and that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.